Welcome. In this video we are going to learn Scapy to perform tool discovery. Packet manipulation tools can be very effective for network scanning such as Nmap and hping. Any packet crafting or manipulation tool can also be used for DOSing, that is denial of service attacks, given the power of creating just about any type of packet with any characteristics. We can likely find one that will take down a host or network. A new tool called Scapy for doing scanning and DOSing weapons. Scapy is a packet manipulation tool similar to Nmap and hping, but unlike those other tools, Scapy is almost infinitely customizable. This is not to say that Nmap and hping are not customizable, but their ability to be customizable is limited. They trade off ease of use for customization. Scapy, on the other hand, has almost no limits in your ability to customize it, but it does have a bit of a learning curve. If you invest the time to understanding the Scapy, you will be rewarded with a very powerful weapon. Let's understand TCP or IP. When using a tool like Scapy, Nmap, hping and others, it is critical you understand the structure of both the IP header and the TCP header. Without that fundamental knowledge of these protocols, it is trying to fly an F-16 into war zone without basic and fundamental flight training. It is a powerful weapon and you might unleash a bomb or two, but you are likely to crash and burn as well. You should be familiar with the TCP header and packet as well. The better you understand the structure of these headers and packets, the better hacker you will be. Otherwise, you will be limited to being a script kiddie with some powerful tools and no knowledge to use them effectively. Scapy is also very versatile. It can be customized to do ARP spoofing, ARP cache poisoning, packet sniffing and analysis like TCP dump and Wireshark, injecting 802.1 frames like AirPlay NG, and decoding VoIP like Kane and Abel. It is written in Python by Philip Biondi and is capable of crafting packets as well as decoding packets. Its syntax is a bit obscure, but its power makes it worth investing the time to learn. In next video, we will try to introduce you first to Scapy syntax and then we will use it for a simple yet effective DOS attack. That's it in this video on Scapy to perform layer 2 discovery in Linux tool. Thank you for watching this video.